Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Accord service light. First, turn your car's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate and press the trip reset button, holding it down for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the maintenance light begin to flash, indicating the reset process is underway. After a moment, the light will reset to 0%, confirming the service reminder is cleared. This simple method works for many models. Sometimes the basic reset doesn't quite do the trick. If your service light remains on, there's an alternative method to try. Begin by turning your ignition completely off. Then, press and hold the trip reset button firmly. While still holding this button, turn your ignition back to the on position. Continue holding the button for another 5 to 10 seconds until the light clears. This often resolves stubborn service reminders. It's important to understand why your service light illuminates. This indicator isn't just a random alert. It's designed to remind you of scheduled maintenance, like oil changes, tire rotations, or other routine checks. It tracks your car's mileage and driving conditions to estimate when service is needed. While resetting it is easy, remember that clearing the light without performing the actual service can lead to missed maintenance, potentially affecting your vehicle's longevity. While resetting the service light is straightforward, if it reappears shortly after, it could signal a more significant underlying issue. In such cases, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic. They can perform a thorough diagnostic check to identify and address any potential problems, ensuring your Honda Accord remains in top condition. Also, for other great deals, and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.